So today I want to share a really handy VS Code extension that I've been using for a while that helped me track my to-do list in VS Code. Alright, so the extension is called ToDo Tree, which will track your files to-do and fix-me items and display them in a tree view graph. So if you have a large list of to-do or fix-me items, then you will probably find this extension extremely useful. And by looking at its 5-star review, you can really tell that the extension is pretty good. Now, to download the ToDo Tree extension, you'll simply go into Extensions and just search for ToDo Tree. It should be the first extension. And once you install the extension, you should see this tree icon appear on your icons list. Now, click on the ToDo Tree icon. Then you should see a new panel that is going to appear. Now, the extension is going to go to the scripts in your project folder and locate any to-do or fix-me items. So currently, I have additional configurations, which I'll show you in a second. But basically, based on your fix-me or to-do item hashtags, it's going to automatically highlight those tags. And from the ToDo Tree panel, the extension automatically group everything for you. And right now, it's displaying every single of my to-do list under each of my Python script in my project. And one thing I found really neat is you can actually group by the tags. Right, so currently I have 3 different tags that are set up. One is to do, one is fix me, and the other one is read me. Now let's look at how we can configure those tags. Alright, so first we want to use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command line palette. Then we want to open the setting file in JSON format. And here's my current configuration to set up my to-do extension. Now, if we look at this property right here, so using to-do.general.tags property, we can add multiple customer tags. So by default, we have to-do and fix-me tags. And if we want to add additional tags, then we'll simply add those items in this to-do tree.general.tags property. And auto refresh basically will reflect the configuration update when you open the file. And this highlights customer highlight property allows you to manually configure how you want to display your tag. And finally, you can also use your own color schema. So for example, if you're using VS Code schema, then you can set the highlights that use color schema to true. Then we automatically apply whatever schema that you're using. So for example, let me put it side by side. So currently I'm using my own schema. So if I set the value to false, then it will default back to the default. And using this custom highlight property to apply the color schema to my to-do items. And since I already customized my own schema, so I like to set this to true. And to use my own schema to make the color just a little more pop. And that's all. And you can find more information on how to configure the ToDo Tree extension from the link in the description below. Alright, so this is going to be everything I'm going to cover in this video. And hopefully you guys find this video useful. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.